guys, it's duty day. It's a Saturday, but it's duty day for me here at my office. Thank you, Maria, for my cup. Three in one lang sa kalam. Oh, may dali i-prepare. So, let me chika while waiting for my client. Siya kaabot. Basin na pangita pa siya sa akong office. Oh, ayan kayo, guys. Ginakuha na ko sa liwanag. Uy, atong blush on. Sino lang? So, while waiting for my client, I'm preparing my syllabus for my political science class. So I will show you my office. It's very cute, as in cute lang gid niya siya. Like, di na ako matindog, ako na siya mapakita. And we're back. But even though small lang siya nga space, I really consider this as my safe space.